Thank you for purchasing your retractable weld screen fixed base. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to catch up. To start, we recommend taking some time to determine where you would like your screen and base to be. Once you've mapped out your desired location, you must first attach the screen to the post. To do this, you must ensure proper placement. The top bracket needs to be 5 inches or 13 centimeters from the top of the post, and the bottom bracket needs to be 9 inches or 23 centimeters from the bottom of the post. Once you know where the screen should be attached to the post, place the screen on top of the post and ensure they are lined up evenly. Next, attach the screen to the post by drilling the aluminum bracket into the post and securing it with the appropriate fasteners. Once the screen is attached to a post, you can use it to assist you in attaching J-hooks to the post that will be opposite the screen. Measure where the J-hooks should be installed by pulling the screen over the adjacent post. Make sure to mark the post to indicate where the J-hooks should be installed. Once you know where the J-hooks should go, secure them to the post with the proper fasteners. Once the J-hooks have been attached, you can move on to installing the base. Start by marking and drilling your concrete floor per the hole pattern on the bottom base plate by using 3/8 concrete anchors. Next, ensure the anchors are secure by hammering them down. Once the anchors are secure, place the base over the anchors by aligning them with the hole pattern on the bottom plate. Secure them with the proper nuts. Now it's finally time for the post. Turn the post upright and place it over the fixed base. And last but not least, secure the post to the base using the provided nut and bolt, ensuring a secure fit with an appropriate wrench or socket. Your retractable weld screen fixed base is now installed and ready to help you work more efficiently and safely. Thanks for choosing Shaver Industries.